Hey everyone, so we'll jump right into it. Just about time for Wall Street to open, another 30 seconds. 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 9:30 p.m. where I am, Indo-China time. And we'll just go ahead and get right into the chart. It's been what an exciting day. What a stellar day for gold. Just look at that chart. Amazing. What what in the world is going on? Just be sure and open my YouTube and see that I'm got everything should be. So what was our high there? It was 47.50. Wow. And we started at 46.59. That's a $90 move in one day. The same as what happened yesterday in the opening with the gap up. So we've moved, basically, it moved $200 in 2 days. So as they say, gold is going to the moon. Of course, nothing goes up forever. But it sure looks like gold is going up forever. Now, here we go. Now we're getting the retracement. Okay. Wall Street is open just now, 1 minute ago, and you see the massive pullback that we're getting, the retracement. And how far back down will that come? Uh, Maybe they'll close below the Asian high here. This gray area you see over here. This is the Asian market from today on Tuesday, the 20th of January, 2026. The Asian high and the Asian low. That's what they did, and they did a pretty good job themselves, pushing gold up way up to about 47.22, 47.23. And then London Open, they kept pushing it a little bit more, and then it kind of went sideways, dropped a little bit. And then, uh, and then the early market opened up before Wall Street, and they just kept pushing it up 47.50, a new all-time high for gold, new all-time high, 47.50. I believe maybe even more than that, 47.51. Oh boy. What a day for gold. Another $100 move. Incredible. Really, surely it's not going to go any more than that. So I don't take a trade when Wall Street opens. Let the craziness settle down first, and let's see what's going to happen. See how things are going to unfold. Only been 2 minutes for the market opening. That is Wall Street, I mean. And I just remind you, if you are here and you want to message me and get in touch with me, you can telegram me. My telegram ID is @RickRayFX. And I do have a Telegram group of traders that you can chat with. If you want to chat with me, that's the easiest way to get a hold of me. Of course, you can leave a comment on YouTube. I do reply to all comments. If you want to, if you're new to trading and you want to find out more about trading, go to my website, rickrayfx.com. All right, there's plenty of information there about trading, prop firms, copy trade, robots, everything you need to know to help you get started with trading. So it just come down and bounced off of this first level of support. That's all these dotted lines that you see here. These are the support and resistance lines that I've marked. This one here, this is the previous day low from yesterday. No, sorry, the previous day high. Okay. This is the high from yesterday. All right. We've just crashed through that like it wasn't even there. And then these other lines, these are the support and resistance lines that I've marked out for the day. And we've got the Asian high and the Asian low. So we'll see where are the institutions and the central banks going to take gold for the rest of the session, the U.S. session, New York session. coming down pretty hard now. I think we probably will take out this Asian high. This is where all of the this is the liquidity pool down here below the Asian high. So it's very likely that we're going to at least come down back to the Asian high, and maybe even go lower. Maybe take out the previous day high from yesterday before we continue up with our bullish run. Gold is definitely bullish. As I was saying in the Asian market this morning, I do a live YouTube on the Asian session. Also, that's at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 8 a.m. Indo-China time. And I was talking in here and saying that gold is definitely bullish. You want to look for an opportunity to buy. So I hope this morning you guys that were following that you found an opportunity to buy because it would have been a very profitable day for you. If you are watching, let me know where you're watching from. If you've got any comments or questions, feel free to chat in the comment box. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you'll be notified. And I do appreciate it if you like and share. That does help the channel. Boy, really coming down now, going for the Asian high. That's the Asian high right there that you see. And probably going to take that out. At least come back down to this first here. And maybe keep going even lower than that. This is where the liquidity pool is. And the big institutions, central banks, they need liquidity to keep pushing the price up. So we could be looking at a liquidity grab here. Just go and see what that looks like on the one chart. Oh yeah, you can see it's a clear liquidity grab. No question about it. When you get this big rejection like this, that's a liquidity grab. And it's going to come down here, probably take out the high, and maybe it'll go down to this first support level where we've already been today. And this candle here has all happened in about 37 minutes. This one started at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll go back to the 15-minute chart. This is the chart where I like to take my trades on, the 15-minute. In fact, I want to go and look at another chart momentarily and see what I've got there on that one. Okay. Just stopping at this first support level. It's only been 8 minutes since the market opened, since Wall Street opened. Maybe it won't go any lower. We'll see. Just have to be patient. I don't usually expect to take any trade in the first 30 minutes or so. Let Wall Street do what they're going to do, settle down, let the institutions get their orders executed, see what the real direction is going to be. After a huge move like this, you would expect that we would have a reasonable retracement back to lower prices before continuing the bullish run. That's what happened last Friday. We had a huge drop. So if you've taken any trade on gold, let me know. Some people like to trade on the pullbacks, the counter trend trade, the retracement, the correction. If that is your cup of tea, that's fine. I don't take counter trend trades. The trend is my friend. If it's bullish, I look for an opportunity to buy. If it's bearish, I look for an opportunity to sell. When you get pullbacks, you don't know how far they're going to pull back. Like, here was a pullback. You don't want to, if you're going short here, you don't know how far it's going to go, and then it takes off. Here would have been a good one, but you never know. Here we had a pullback. It was only one candle. So for me, trend is my friend. And after the correction, then when it's done the correction, and I see it's starting to continue its bullish run, its trend going in the same direction, then I'll take a trade. But I don't see that yet. I'm expecting we're going to get a bigger pullback, a bigger correction. We've seen nearly a $100 move up today, just one day, nearly 1,000 pips just today. Why is gold moving up so much this week? Okay, Jokan, good to see you here, buddy. How are you? So you did take a short position. You got out with your profit already. Okay, congratulations. Let's all give a hand for Jokan, who made a good profit on his trade. Well done, buddy. Good job. So for the moment, we're not seeing very much. It made a huge drop, and now it's just kind of hanging around this support level. It's only been Wall Street just opened 13 minutes ago, and that was a big drop. That was from 47.50 all the way down to 47.27. So a $23 drop in just a few minutes. 230 pips in just a few minutes. So, Jokan, do you trade the Asian market? I didn't see you today. Do you stay up late for that? Hey, Broda. Good morning. Wherever you are. It's good evening to me. It's almost 10 p.m. here in Southeast Asia, but 9:45 Eastern Standard Time in New York. And we've been having a fantastic day on gold. Today has been the day for gold. Okay, Jokan, you only trade the New York session. That's cool. So we just while we're watching this here, we'll go back and look at yesterday, just real quick. There was a $90 move from yesterday. Boom. And then it didn't do anything for the whole day. Even London, they didn't even move the price, just straight across for the whole rest of the day. This was when New Zealand opened, the very first hour. Bang. What a massive move that was. And then straight across for the rest of the day until right here. And then this gray area, this is the Asian session, the start of the day. And Asia has been pushing it up all morning long. And then London went up a little bit more, came back down, and now the U.S. is just pushing it like crazy. But is this going to be the continued direction for the rest of the New York session? We don't know yet. We don't know yet. So you are on Mountain Pacific time. In the U.S. is called Mountain Pacific time. Central time is 8:45 p.m. and Eastern time is 9:45 p.m. Yeah, if you're trading the Asian session and you come in and you see this start to move, take one lot, and just hold on. What a profit that would have been. And there's some people that are doing that. It just depends on your account size. You have to trade according to your account size. Don't be greedy. Don't overtrade. Don't overlot. Build your account gradually, slowly, steady, steady. You never know it's going to move like this in one day. Why is it moving like this? All this week, we've gone up nearly $200 in 2 days. Why is that? Anybody have any opinion on that? Turn on my light there. Well, the world has gone crazy, eh? The world has just gone totally crazy. All this geopolitical stuff, the Venezuela and Greenland, and oh man, I'm so glad I live in Southeast Asia. It's very, very peaceful over here. Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, good weather, friendly people, great food, great cultures. But other places in the world is just going crazy. And so gold is a safe haven. When the markets get scared and there's a lot of turmoil and a lot of uncertainty, if there's a war or there's an earthquake or a tsunami or something like that, well, gold is a safe haven. It's good to have gold. Gold has been good for thousands of years. And when there's times of trouble or difficulty or geopolitical problems, people go for something safe. So now we're at 47.50. That's our new all-time high, 47.51. Whoa, we're really getting close to 5,000. That's unbelievable. $5,000 for gold. It's coming soon. Just a couple of years ago, it was 2,000. And it stayed, it never could break above 2,000 for the longest time. I remember that. Hit 2,000, fall back down. Hit 2,000, fall back down. For a long time, it did that many times. But after it broke 2,000, it's never looked back. You can look back on the chart 2 years. Gold has been bullish for 2 years. So now we got our second 15-minute candle. This is after Wall Street opened. This is the first one, the red one. And we got our second 15-minute candle, Wall Street, and they're still not doing very much. I think on the hour we'll start to see a bigger move. That's what happened last Friday. After about an hour and a half or 2 hours into the Wall Street move, into the New York session, then gold made a huge drop. Huge, huge, huge. In fact, we can go back and look at that. That was last Friday. Okay, this is yesterday. And here's Friday before Asia opened. Look at that. This was that was 10 o'clock. No, 10:30. I know. That was 10:30. 1 hour after Wall Street opened, made this massive drop. And then it slowly started to go back up. And then Asia opened yesterday. And we got that big $100 move. Boom. Unbelievable. I've never seen anything like that. When New Zealand opens, just wow. And then it didn't do anything all day on yesterday. And now it started again today. So which way is it going to go? Another big drop? I really don't think we'll go any higher. I think that the all-time high. I think that's all we're going to see for today. We might see a bigger correction a little bit later in the New York session. Not many people watching right now. Oh, there's 7 people watching. Got some more coming in. If you're new here, just let me know where you're watching from. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And please like and share. That does help the channel. I appreciate it. And I'll just let everybody know if if you're new to trading, or if you know somebody that's new to trading and they want to know how to get started, I have a free trading course, 10-video tutorial, absolutely free, no obligation, and you can watch that. It'll show you how to sign up with a broker, how to set up MT4, all the functions and features of MT4. I talk about pending orders, buy limits, buy stops, sell stops, risk management, stop loss, take profit, how to trade the news, everything you need to get started trading forex. No strategy, but just a foundation to help you get set up. And if you're interested in that, just telegram me. My ID is at RickRayFX, and I will send you the link for that and also the password. It is password protected. Still nothing going on. Another 6 minutes. I'm going to stick around here for a little bit and see on the hour. Sometimes on the hour, then you start to get a bigger move. Let's just see what's going to happen here at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, 10 p.m. Just another 5 minutes. Looks like it wants to go back up, eh? It came down, bounced off of this support level here. We had resistance there, and it finally broke above that. So resistance becomes support, and this first opening candle came down, hit support, then bounced off of that. Now it's bouncing off of that again. But I really don't think we're going to see any much higher prices. Of course, gold can do anything. Anything is possible in the market. Sometimes it will just surprise the heck out of you. Like today was a big surprise. I never really thought after, yesterday $100 move. I didn't really think we'd see another $100 move today. It's just incredible. So is anybody else taking another trade on gold? Or are you just waiting like me? 99% of our time we spend waiting. Right now, there's no clear indication of which way gold is going to go for the rest of the New York session. If you have an idea which way you think it will go, let me know in the comments. Might test the 50 EMA and get back up. The 50 EMA. Where is the 50 EMA? What price is that? I don't have that one on my chart. The 50 EMA. I can put it on there right quick. Indicators, moving average. Let's see if I can find the exponential. Got that over here. And we'll change the settings. Make it to 50. And we'll change the color to white so I can see it. And we'll make it a little bit thicker. And there we go. Okay. Yeah, that's a support level. It's right on support. That's where I marked my support earlier today. Right back here. We had resistance right there, and then resistance becomes support. So that's where that 50 EMA is. And if the price starts to come down, it will push that EMA down just a little bit, so it'll be almost right on the line. And that would be 47, 16, I believe. 47.15, 47.16. Yes. And what I was saying earlier when we started that I think that gold, I think that the institutions, the central banks will take out the Asia high. And the Asia high is right here. So if they take out the Asia high, the next level would be that support level, or as Jokan says, the 50 EMA. Right now, it's just kind of thinking about it. It's just consolidating. It's just, no clear direction just yet. You see how the price moves up a little bit, and now the EMA has moved up just a little bit. So if the price goes down, then the EMA will go down just a little bit, and that would be our target there. If it breaks below this support here, then the next one would be right there where the 50 EMA is, the next support level. But it's trying to go up, eh? Trying. Okay, we've got our 10 o'clock switch over here. This is the next candle. It's on the hour, and this is sometimes when you start to get the bigger move and start to see a clear direction. It might fake us out a little bit here in the first few minutes and then start to move. It would really surprise me if we break above 47.50 after this huge move today. But I have seen it move more than that, and sometimes. I mean, it's unusual, but anything is possible. What is the next resistance level? If I have on my other chart? No, I don't. We are in uncharted territory now. There is no resistance level up here. It's uncharted territory. You could use a round number like 4760, 4770, 4780. Those could be your theoretical resistance levels. But I don't care how many moving averages you put on here, there is no resistance level, not for a moving average. We are above all moving averages. Yeah, the buyers are very strong today, but you need to be careful. I mean, the price is already so high. There's no way in the world I will take a long trade today in the New York session. No way. Not with the price this high. Why do you? Why would you buy when the price is so high, so expensive? Wait till it comes back down and you get a better price. It will come back down. It always does. It might not be right now. It might not be in the next couple of hours, and it might go higher. Might. We don't know. And it'd be very, very risky to take a long trade in the New York session today. Really, there's no way I will take a long trade. I don't care how much volume there is. I don't care how far it goes. Let it go. It will come back. It always does. And that's when I'll be waiting to get a better price. Okay, guys, I'm going to sign out for this session, the New York session. There's no way that I'm going to take a trade in the rest of the New York session. As I just said, the price is too high. I'll be waiting for a retracement. So I might be looking at a trade tomorrow in the Asian session. We'll see what happens during the New York session. But just caution you, be careful. Don't overtrade. Don't overlot. Don't be greedy. Be willing to grow your capital gradually over time. Uh, use good risk management. Okay. Any comments or questions, leave them below, and I will get back to you. I did reply to all the comments. comments wherever you are in the world. I hope you have a great session of trading, and I'll see you again next time.